In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable CSAT surveys in Zendesk. Customer satisfaction surveys, or CSAT surveys, are a crucial tool for gaining insights into your customer support performance. By turning on these surveys, you can directly receive feedback from customers on their experience with your support services, allowing you to continually enhance your approach. To get started, you'll need to access the Zendesk support interface. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar, and you should see the admin icon. It's an essential tool because this is where you can control various settings that impact how you interact with your customers. Click on this icon to proceed, and it will bring up a range of options you can configure. Next, we'll need to navigate through the settings. You'll see several tabs available, but for the purpose of enabling CSAT surveys, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. Once you're in there, your goal is to locate something that says Customers. Note that sometimes it might be labeled as End Users, depending on the specific version or customization of your Zendesk platform. But rest assured, both terms generally lead you to the same destination. Once you're in the right section, look for the Satisfaction tab. This is where we can control how customer feedback is collected and managed. Inside this tab, there's a key setting that needs your attention: enabling the option that says Allow customers to rate tickets. Checking this box is crucial because it's the feature that prompts customers to provide feedback after their interactions with your support team. It's essentially the switch that turns on the CSAT survey function. After you've checked this box, take a moment to review everything to make sure it aligns with your expectations and preferences. When you're satisfied, don't forget to click Save to ensure all the changes you've made are applied. This step finalizes the process. Your CSAT surveys will now be active, and customers will be prompted to provide feedback after their support tickets are closed. Remember, once the surveys are enabled, it's valuable to regularly review the feedback your customers provide. Analyze this feedback to identify trends, areas where your team excels, and opportunities for improvement. The insights you gain can be transformative, helping you enhance the overall customer experience and refine your support strategies. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully activated customer satisfaction surveys in Zendesk. This tool will empower your team to receive meaningful insights directly from your customers, paving the way for enhanced service and higher satisfaction rates. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about maximizing the potential of Zendesk to meet your customer service needs.